Yo guys, today we're in Bikepark Mook. I'm together with Frederik.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out all of the lines. We just came back from riding some enduro. I had some gnarly crashes. Check out the video of last week for that. Let's shred. Yeah buddy, we're gonna start off on the blue line or the red line. Well, that doesn't matter. This is the easiest line. Pump these. It's still super wet. I'm a bit careful in the turns so that I don't slide out. I'm gonna go for the black drop. Nice. Red line or black line. I have no idea what the trails are called over here. It's starting to rain really hard. Over the puddle. Yo! Nice wooden drop. And then skip this. I've seen loads of people crash on here. And now we're gonna do the double black line with some gaps.
Yes.
I'm probably gonna case some jumps, but let's see. Little gap. And another one. Drop. I'll case it. I'm gonna get to the pedal. Easy. Oh. Yeah, I also cased that one. Let's continue. Pump these. Rock drop. And another one. Yo. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next trails.